When two lobsters confront each other, they perform complex dominance rituals, standing tall, flexing their claws, and stretching themselves out to look bigger. Peterson explains that when a lobster wins, serotonin levels in its brain increase. This doesn't just make it feel good, it changes how it behaves and moves. It stretches itself high and struts its stuff. It becomes more agile, more confident, and more likely to win again in the future. The loser, however, doesn't just retreat. Its brain literally rewires itself to function differently. The subordinate lobster becomes cautious, anxious, and vulnerable. Its serotonin levels drop and it physically shrinks back into a low, defeated posture. This is not symbolic. It's neurological restructuring in response to loss, and it's deeply relevant to us. After repeated losses, humans, like lobsters, undergo changes in brain structure. Two regions especially affected are the hippocampus and the amygdala. The hippocampus, involved in memory and spatial awareness, shrinks under prolonged stress. The amygdala, which processes fear and threat, becomes more sensitive. Something very similar to this occurs in the defeated lobster. A new subordinate brain circuitry is established. This same circuitry exists in you, and it's influenced by serotonin. Peterson references research showing that the brains of chronically defeated people behave similarly to those of subordinate animals. Here's where it gets more interesting and more uncomfortable. When scientists administer antidepressant defeated lobsters, they rise again. Their posture returns. Their confidence resurfaces. They re-enter the dominance hierarchy. As Peterson puts it, the drugs that increase serotonin levels in lobsters also make them fight more courageously and effectively. The implication is clear. The dominant structures that govern lobsters still shape your emotions, behavior, and biology. Peterson's central claim is that hierarchies are not arbitrary. They are ancient. You can't explain them away with ideology. Lobsters don't believe in capitalism, yet they form hierarchies. Hierarchy is not a human construction. It is a near-eternal aspect of the environment. These hierarchies emerge wherever resources are limited and competition exists, which is always. You're always somewhere in a dominance hierarchy. At work, in relationships, even within your own mind.
And your body, like the lobsters, remembers your position. It either prepares you for competition or holds you back in submission. Peterson's rule isn't just advice. It's a call to biological and existential responsibility. To stand up straight with your shoulders back is to voluntarily accept the burden of being.